Alright guys, Joe here with another video. Today I'm working on this A-Class Mercedes. It's a 2016 and I'm gonna show you where the cabin filter is located. The passenger footwell is a right-hand drive car. Just pull the mat back. And that compartment up there, there's two little clips at the top here. That tray will come out and you can just drag the cabin filter out. That's where it's located. So alright, that's the replacement one. So we just put it back in reverse order. What you'll find, you'll have to sort of bend it a little bit to force it in, but quite flexible, it will go in. And just put that flap back on. We get the cover back in. Once you get the hinge side of the cover back on, it should just lift up and click into place. And that's it. Just put your carpet back down, push it back in there, and your floor mat back in. Hope you enjoy this video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.